Hi there, it's Guneet. In this video, we will learn an important tool in Excel, that is conditional formatting. A conditional format changes the appearance of cells on the basis of conditions that you specify. If the conditions are true, the cell range gets formatted, and if the conditions are false, the cell range does not get formatted. There are many built-in conditions, so let us explore them. So for this, I have already prepared some data and I will try different conditions on this table. As you can see, these cells show more precise values by showing many decimal places. So first, let us round them off. Select the cells. Click here on Home tab. Decrease decimal. You can click the number of times you wish to reduce the decimal point. And similarly, you can also increase them. So I will keep it to 1 decimal point. Now to apply conditional formatting, first let us select age column. We will click here on conditional formatting. There are many options available. So first we will try equal to. Just click here. Suppose I wish to find or I wish to highlight the cells which contains value equal to 22. You can choose highlighting options. Let us choose light red fill. Click OK. So you can see all the cells that contain number 22 are highlighted and filled light red. Now let us try next condition on next column. First I will select the cells. Go to conditional formatting. Now if I wish to highlight cells with value greater than 0.7, you can also choose custom format. Fill light green. I will choose the color. Click OK. So all the cells which contain value greater than 0.7 are highlighted. Similarly, you can also try a condition for lesser than. Select the cells. Conditional formatting. Highlight cell rules. Less than. So let us highlight the cells which contain value less than 17.5 and color them light yellow. Okay. So all the cells are highlighted which contain value less than 17.5. So same way, you can choose different formatting options from this drop-down menu. You can choose greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains a date occurring or duplicate values. You can also create a new rule. We'll click here. So I will choose format only cells that contain. You can choose any option like you wish to format cell value, specific text, dates, blanks, no blanks, error, no errors, and I will choose cell value. Cell value equal to 35. We will choose the color blue. Okay. So the cells which contain 35 are highlighted. You can choose other formatting options also. New rule. Format only unique or duplicate values. Suppose I wish to find unique value. Format. I'll choose color gray. Okay. So 7.5 is the unique value in the selected cells. So it is highlighted as gray. You can also edit the rules. Select the cells, conditional formatting, manage rules. So we have selected unique values. Click here on edit rule. I will change to duplicate and we'll choose here format light gray. Okay. So all the cells which contain duplicate values are highlighted in gray. You can also clear the rules. You can choose from here clear rules. You can select that if you wish to clear rules from selected cells or you wish to clear rules from entire sheet. So I will click selected cells. So the rules have been cleared. So let's undo it. So great. We have learned how to use conditional formatting on numerical data. You can also apply same functions on alphabetical or alphanumeric data. Thank you.